Hey guys, Zay here. I have been an animator for 4 years, and I will show you how to operate Flipaclip. So, if you want to make a project, just click on this plus button. It will allow you to make another project. So, this is where you can name your animations. I'm going to name this one Donut Test. And now we just have to choose the background. I'm going to set the background color to blue. But then again, I like yellow, so I'm going to set the background to yellow. Plus, some donuts are yellow because they're filled with glaze or something. So if you want to add an image to your setup, all you have to do is press the Add Image button. And there are so many images to choose from, but I'll use this one. We shrink it, and then we just record the audio. This is where you record the audio. And this other plus button is where you can add your audio. You can use AI, which is a new Flipaclip feature, audio library, audio recorder, or add audio. If you haven't used Flipaclip before, just know that audio library you had to pay for. See? It's too special to use. And if you want to add audio, you're gonna have to watch an ad. It takes too long to watch the ads, but I still want to use it, so no. I mean, I could use it, but I changed my mind. I want to use audio recorder. Let's make Donut say, "I'm really mad at you." All you have to do is use the audio recorder. So you press this button, and then you hold, and then it clearly says press and hold to record. So all you have to do is this. "I'm really mad at you. I'm really mad at you." There. All I have to do to make it look like Donut's looking at someone, you just take this perception, I think, and I had to do this. There, now it looks like Donut is yelling at somebody else. So here it is. Oh yeah, it does this just in case you have to lip sync. The only reason I didn't lip sync Donut is because he has a hole in his mouth and I don't know how to. So now we go change the size of the brush. For most of my animations, I like to use the brush, put the brush side at 6. And 8, 7, 6. Wait. There we go. Now just do this. Draw this a couple more times. This could take a while. This will take a while, so I'll just pause the video and then I'll record when it's all done. Okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's see how it turned out. "I'm really mad at you." Okay, so it could have gone better, but it took a long time, and my arm and my fingers were starting to hurt. So I just lazied it up. I'll do better next time, I promise. Bye.